I'm Rocky, and um, today also what you're seeing is actually it's the text editor, right? So I'll be comparing my text editor to Hashnode, to Hackanoon, Play.js, and Lexica, right? Now, it's nothing crazy. What the comparison, the how the comparison works is this: I take a large form content that I've already written on Hackanoon, right? It's more than 11,000 words. Then I'll paste it to my custom editor, paste it to Hashnode text editor, paste it to Slate text editor, Hackanoon, and Lexica. Now the point is the point of this is to see how fast this content will appear, because it's a lot, right? It's very it's a lot, right? So the point is just to see how fast it will appear. So on Lexica, on Symbian, on Hashnode, on Hackanoon, and Play.js. So I'll start by copying the content, and also apart from how fast the content will appear, we also want to see if how this text editors will handle the markup, right? Like, let's say if something is a header, it will still keep it a header. If it is a code, it will still keep it a code. If there's any images, it will still keep it, and it will still maintain the exact text that I've copied from FreeCodeCamp to all this text editor. So I'm going to start with my own. I've already copied it, and I'm going to start with my own. I'm pressing Control and Y. Oh God. Control and V. Okay, so now Control and V. So I've pressed my right, so you can see the cursor stopped moving. So Hashnode. So on Hashnode to Control and V. Then the cursor has also stopped working, and on Hackanoon text editor, Control and V. Also, well, okay, it came. But okay, we'll come back to Hackanoon. So I think Hackanoon came first, right? It came first. So Lexica, I've pressed. Okay, Lexica also has come. So let's try with Slate and Split. I don't know if I'm butchering it. So okay, so now I've done the same for Slate.js, right? So now let's start with Lexica. Lexica came first, right? It came first, and it was able to. Okay, I think we should wait. It was able to still maintain the links, the typography, the images. Well, okay, it wasn't able to manage this image very well. Well, okay, it did well, right? The code and everything. I think the code and everything is handled very well. Okay, I think slate.js just came, so I thought I would just go to slate.js. Well, it handled everything, and I think they don't have yet implemented an embed for Loom. So let's start with slate.js. So slate.js. Okay, I think now my computer is freezing. Wow. Hashnode to boom. I guess I'm the last person. Wow. Well, it's not surprising because this platform they are no joke. So Slate.js also, yes, I think it was able to handle the image better than Lexica, right? Because here it's clear and yeah, so you can see the difference. It was able to manage the image better than Lexica. Yeah. So let's go to Hackanoon. Hackanoon wasn't able to do that. It didn't maintain the links. It wasn't able to maintain the links, the images, the code. Nope. Mm-mm. Okay. The code. I think it was able to do this, and I'm guessing maybe it's the paste or the copy and paste functionalities. Maybe it's not handled well, right? So let's go to Hashnode. I like using Hashnode. I like their text editor a lot. And so yep, it handled the topology and everything. Okay, so I think the image, I think then there's something wrong with this image because it also didn't show in all of the text editor. Well, okay, it also handled the image very well, and the barcode and all that. Yeah, I think it did a good job. Well, it's not surprising there. It did a really good job. Now my own 5 minutes and still going and nothing. Wow. Oh, okay, so you're saying, okay, wait, maybe it will come. Then let's see how it handled it. Begging you, please come. Oh, okay. It listened. So okay, so okay, I think my text editor also was able to handle it very well, right? So let's compare, right? Was able to handle it very well, and I think the spacing and everything too is done right. So the contact us, yeah, I think the first image there's something wrong with it, but okay, this also it did very well in the code. So let me expand my own. I know I'm being biased, but hey, it's my platform. So yeah, so I think it did a good job handling everything. Yep. Let's take it one by one. Okay. Well, Lexica also did a very good job. How can I'm guessing if you should try transferring your article from from one editor to another, it will be very difficult because that means you have to also be tracking a lot of things here in Hackanon, right? Believe me, writing itself is not easy. Then having to track a lot of things, but it's good. Then Plate, well, I could have used Plate.js, but I also wanted the experience. I wanted the experience. I wanted to learn how I can build my text editor, right? That way I have so much control. In fact, I have so much control over it. That's what I like. I like the control, having control over my code, right? I can change the colors however I want to edit it. But that means so you have to learn, you have to know how to optimize and all that. Right, so I think Slate also did a very good job. And lastly, hash node. Hash node, so let's see. Well, hash node did a good job. So I think I think it did a very good job. Now I can see. Damn, I think I have to watch this because I think okay, I know the first one to come was the first one to come uh, was Hacker Noon was first, but it wasn't that optimized, right? Then the second was Lexica, right? Then after Lexica, it was slate-js, right? Then after slate-js, it was lastly it was no, I think it was Hashnode. Then after Hashnode, just my platform. My platform came in last. I think it was 5 minutes in 5 minutes. So that means if the user will have to pay more than 10,000 or 11,000, but the user will have to wait like 5 minutes. And so I don't know if maybe it's also because of my computer or what. So that conclude the comparison, right? It's nothing. It's not anything. I just wanted to see how my text editor works against other text editors, right? That I like using. So yeah. So I'm gonna end it and yeah.